All right, this is my favorite headlamp to use to take to fishing, especially at nighttime. It is the Everbright. No, I'm not sponsored or anything. I just found these on Amazon. They're less than 10 bucks, but they're super bright. It's got different modes. And then if you do this way, it turns on the motion sensing. So, and you just turn it off. So again, looking for a good fishing headlamp. This one's really good, nice and comfortable. Band on it. It's adjustable, and it is rechargeable. It's micro USB. Doesn't take long, so it's that style there.